Friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up?
Yo, Dugan, pick up the phone.
Yo.
What's up?
So today, RA in a different store. So many people get hung up with Walmart. They get hung up with BrickSeek. Don't get me wrong, Walmart, great place to find stuff, lots of stuff. BrickSeek, a great tool, but at the end of the day, there's lots of other stores. You know, they only cover like 6 stores. You know, is that the only retailers around? Are they the only retailers that have clearance? Are they the only retailers that actually sell items that you can buy at full price and sell at a profit? Absolutely not. So today, we're headed to Academy Sports. Academy Sports has a clearance sale event going on. Sorry, I'm trying to navigate through an old parking lot that's the store that's no longer here. You know, rip Gander Mountain. So we're headed to Academy Sports. There's a brand new one here on the Parkway. I think there's 2 in town. We'll go check out and see. I had a message from a viewer who said, asked if I had checked it out yet. They had found a lot of cool, interesting stuff. So yeah, cool, interesting stuff. Let's see what's there and what's available. And I know y'all want to go, so hey, let's roll. All right, so we made it to Academy Sports. Let's see. And you can see on the front time they got clearance stickers that says there's an additional 50% off on clearance merchandise test. No firearms and ammo. Damn it, this is Alabama. Don't you know we need extra money on firearms? All right, welcome back to the van. So, Academy Sports. Did we give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? I spent $465 the first time, and then the second time I spent $500 and something. Let's see. Hopefully I won't run into that car ahead of me. That's the wrong receipt. It was $500 and something, and I'm like, how in the hell did that basket end up more than the last basket? And turns out there was an item that they had on clearance that was, not only was it not the markdown price, and it wasn't a clearance price either. And so, and of course, I brought 11 of them, so that inflated the price. Those items should have been $10 each, and they ended up charging me $24.99. So check your receipts. If something doesn't seem right, I didn't leave the store. I stood right there, and they were very nice, and they fixed it and gave me the correct price of $10. So it ended up being a $180 overcharge. So especially when you got so much stuff, it's imperative. If you can't keep, you know, like I'm by myself, so I'm trying to get stuff out there because this guy was really fast ringing up, and so I couldn't catch it. So I always, you know, pull my basket to the side and just look through the receipt to make sure that, you know, the prices were right, things were cut out, because you never know if you've been overcharged. You know, the error was either the wrong thing was put in clearance, and it wasn't supposed to be. So who knows? But they gave it to me anyway, which was really nice. So, you know, it's hard to make money when you're not getting an item at the price you think you are. So check. So it was close to $700 at the first Academy Sports. And so what are we doing now? On to the next one. There is another Academy of Sports on the other side of town, a mere 8.7 miles away. So we were going the 8.7 miles. The entire store was full of clearance, as you can see as I walked around, and I kept running into people. I kept dropping the camera, turning it. So yeah, I'll get you some more footage out here in the next one to show you some of the other stuff. But you know, everything is on sale. All their clearance. They've got stuff from, you know, Bluetooth headsets to cleats. So there are some shoes, but they've been picked over by the time I got there. A lot of accessories, soccer gloves, outdoor stuff, bags, carrying bags. I got some good deals on some Adidas and some Nike bags, and a lot of local merchandise. There's a lot of Alabama and Auburn merchandise there. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Going to the next one, we'll see what we find. And actually, we're gonna go to the one in Decatur, Alabama as well. So this trip just became, when one is great, I'm like, well, the hell, let's go to 3. And once I get to Decatur, and if the van is full, right, there might be Academy of Sports number 2. Fire truck. All right, let's see what we can find in this one. All right, this is the haul I came up with today. These guys here, I bought these from eBay because the box was a little rough, but they were such a good deal. I was gated in that company when I started today, and it was an auto ungate. Got some bags. I got this box full of stuff. Got some more bags. And yes, you'll see some Jans. All this stuff came today. All that stuff came today. And the one thing I want to tell you is I got some JanSport bags today. JanSport is on the IP list. They sent out a bunch of nasty letters last year about not being authorized sellers and all that kind of stuff on Amazon. And I posted a picture on Instagram. I'll show the pictures. They'll be throughout this video. And someone asked about that. Had they stopped? I don't know if they've stopped. I don't care if they stopped because I don't sell on one platform. I sell on 2. I sell on eBay as well. And I pick up some things for eBay. The JanSport bags were MSRP at $59.99. I was picking up some of them for $15, some of them for $10. So I bought them to throw them on a shelf, take a few pictures of them. If they sell now, fine. If not, back to school, they will be gone. So sometimes things are such a great deal. Once you've been doing this for a while, you have the position where you can hold, and I'm in that position. That's very nice. So and you will get there too. You know, hard work, push at it. It can be done. You know, I'm just a guy with a beard running around buying stuff. You can do the same thing and build this business. Just remember, when I'm telling you things, I'm ungating a lot of categories. I've been on Amazon's full time since 2014, and that was before the gatings and stuff. Really, frozen was the only thing that was restricted when I started, and they actually took receipts to let you in categories, which is a thing of the past. Yeah, I know, invoices. So I just wanted to show you just a glimpse of the craziness that came out of the van. One more glimpse. Where's one of those JanSport bags? Yeah, there's one right there. That one. I think I got that one for $9. It's just a plain JanSport bag, but that one's a $39 bag. So, but I did pick up some Nikes. That sucker's $15 on Amazon. It's selling for $68, I think, $67. It's 7,000 rank. Picked some Adidas. This was $15. Got 2 of this one. So, and there's a camo bag back there. There's a Nike bag back there. So, a lot of backpacks. Those things, you know, if you're in Academy and you're going through their clearance, this half price right now, you can look at everything. Bags sell very well year round. They have a low rank on Amazon. Even if bearded picker, I can't sell Nike. You can sell anything you want to on eBay. They got rules, but you can sell most anything you want to, most any brand. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share. We're gonna do this all over again tomorrow. I don't know how much I'll film because I get the kind of disease where I gotta get to the next door and I forget there's a camera in my pocket or I'm actually carrying. So but thanks for watching. I hope you learn. Let's learn the way I find a great deal. I attack it. I buy lots of the same stuff. Cuts down on how much I have to scan. I do scan. I mean, I scan all the clearance, but after I went to 3 Academy Sports today. By the time you get to the 3rd one, you know what's on sale. You know what you can get what it is. The one thing I will tell you, I want to talk to you. One other thing. Sorry, we're not gonna end this video quite yet. These guys here, this company is EvoShield. No restrictions or anything, but if you're doing Academy, be careful with these. There are errors in a couple of them's price, so they ring up $24.99 instead of $9.98. So always check your receipts. Always check your receipts. Always check your receipts. I might have covered this already, but if I did, that would have cost me a lot of money, $180 extra, which I could not have made up. I would have just lost. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Roll Tide.